Ready?
I need to check the CG as well.
CG is fine. I wouldn't worry about it. Hold on, let me.
I moved it back.
It's gonna be fine because that's. Is it all the way back?
No.
Move it all the way back.
All the way?
All the way. I wouldn't tell you wrong. Don't worry. I wouldn't tell you not to do it in a way that wouldn't work.
All the way back like this?
All the way back.
Right.
You gotta trust me. It'll work.
I don't want to crash it.
You won't.
I love this plane.
You won't. You'll be good. Let's unplug.
Huh?
Let's unplug.
This one?
Where's it's supposed to be plugged into the car.
No, I already have it plugged in.
What?
I already have my cable.
I know, but this is not plugged into the Y.
Oh.
That plugs into the Y. There you go. We're good.
Afterburner.
Is it the right?
Yep.
Plugged in the right direction?
Yep.
Okay. Let me see your controller. Where is it? The controller itself. Is it off? Okay, we're good.
Ready?
Yep. I got it.
It's a balance.
That's all right. We'll be okay for now.
Better than other planes.
Yep.
What is that? Is that a
It's an old school Chaos. Taxi it out!
Taxi now!
Go.
Hey, what?
Hey, come on.
What?
Take it off! It is. Why would I tell you? I told you. I wouldn't tell you to do something that doesn't work. Better?
Way better.
Okay, stay close. You're going way the hell too far out. And we're pull up and do a loop right now. Pull up and do a loop right now. There you go. We got to give some separation between this guy. There you go. Okay. Okay. There you go. Good. Looks good. You're clear if you want to do a low pass. Looks really good, Mike. But the plane seems more stable now, right? Now that, so now there's no. It's the same place. Put it all the way back, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Fly's really nice.
In all honesty, with that receiver where it is, that battery should be further back where the receiver is, but
That's where I have it.
yeah. Good. Yeah, flies good. Seems way better than last time. The elevator's more responsive, right? Okay.
Afterburner light is killer.
Cool. Let's take a couple steps back.
Can you check my time really quick?
You're good. You're good.
I just gotta get a ignition on the left wing.
Okay. Good. Video that take off. There we go. Whoa, get up. How long do you have your timer set?
15 minutes, so I'm gonna
How long do you have it set?
3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Okay, you can do 4. No problem. Even with full throttle flying. Cool. good.
The F-16 normally stall?
No, they'll just drop the nose.
Alright. Gear pass!
Just make your approach pretty quick. Gear down. Okay, make your turn.
Alright, landing!
Turn to come in now.
Now?
Yeah, gotta get. Oh no, wave off. Make a turn. No, you're good. Okay, come on. I don't think you set up right. You're gonna have to walk. So you gotta remember to set up your landing though. Turn to the right. All the way to the right. There you go. There you go. Do it again. Push. There. That's it.
Why the fuck is Todd right there?
It's alright, come on. You gotta yell, we gotta yell a little louder next time. But that's why I was telling you to cut your landing short. You good? Alright.